Most environmental impacts come from supply chain instead of the company's own operations. That's why changing market needs and regulations like CSRD require businesses to take full responsibility for their Scope 3 impacts. This demands the collection of precise primary emissions data from suppliers. And all this can be done easily and effortlessly with Jakamo products. So let's take a look on how that works. So here I'm logged in Jakamo with the customer company, and this is the products view. And it has all the products that we have between our company and our supplier, which in this case is the General Supply Inc. And all these products are generated automatically from purchase orders in Jakamo. Right now we can see that we have few properties for our products, such as the cobalt content or weight, and we can add any properties for these products, such as CO2 or country of origin, for example. And we also have a process for asking item level ROS, REACH, and conflict minerals details from suppliers. But let's take a look how to add few properties for our products. So I'm going to click properties up here, and it opens up this dialog for us, and we can see all of our properties over here. And to add a property, we just click add property and then give it the property name, for example, power consumption. And select the unit for it, and then click save. And let's add another one. Let's add CO2 and select the unit for it and click save. Like this. Now if we close this dialog, we can see that the properties appear over here for each of the products. And the cool part here is that this product feature is not some separate process, but it is actually tightly coupled with the purchase orders in Jakamo. And that means that we can ask information about our products and properties from our suppliers, for example, when they respond to our purchase orders. So let's take a look how to do that. So first I'm going to switch the mode to questionnaire mode from the input mode. And now let's say we wanted to ask the power consumption and the CO2 regarding these products from our supplier. So all we have to do is click all of these properties for each product and then click up here and send questionnaire. All right. Now let's switch to the supplier side of things. So over here, I'm now logged in as a supplier with the General Supply Inc. And here is a purchase order made from our customer company to the supplier. And if we look down, we can see that there is these items ordered, which were in our products database already. So now let's confirm this order. We get the success, and then we are prompted that we have unanswered questionnaires. And by clicking this yes, it takes us to the products page. And as a supplier, we can right away see which information we are required to fill in for the customer. And to fill this out, we can just click over here, fill them out like this, then save them like so. And now let's go back to the customer side. So now we have the products application open again with the customer company. And here we can see that for the power consumption and CO2, the values that the supplier inputted are displayed over here. That's how easy it is to collect the emissions data from your suppliers using Jakamo products. If you want to learn more about this, go to jakamo.net or email us at support@thejakamo.com.